Okay, we're just gonna try this. There's dogs in my room, so if they get in the way, sorry. Hi you guys, it's Kate and King and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I thought I'd show you guys my skincare routine. It is basically called my skincare routine. This is just basically years of getting called ugly and having braces and going through Accutane, if you've ever heard of that, to be this beautiful person that I am today. No, but on a real note, I had really bad acne in middle school, and then Lord and Savior above, Trisha Paytas, led me to Accutane, which got rid of all my acne, and now my skin is baby soft, but I still try to take care of it as much as possible because I don't want going through all the pain and suffering of Accutane to ruin my face again. But I also want to kind of give you guys like a life update because, you know, like I used to be just like so depressed and sad, but now I'm like dating this boy kind of, I don't know. There's just a special someone in my life that I'm not really allowed to talk about yet, or not going to talk about yet because it's still really new, but feels are there, let me tell you. So that's good, and that's been helping. I simplified my life a little bit. I have cut down to just maybe 1.5 jobs. So I cut down to 1.5 jobs because it was just so much work all the time, and then I wasn't getting anything done in my real life, and then I just felt like I was avoiding all my issues. So I cut down to 1 job, which I'm kind of really happy I did, because 1.5 jobs, because honestly, it's just so much easier. But let's just dive right into my skincare routine. So usually the first thing I do is I wash my face with the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash in pink grapefruit because I just like this so much better than the original. But I already did that off camera, and it just has these like little beads in it that I feel like really cleanses my face. And then right after that, I'll grab, same thing, Neutrogena. I love their products. I just think they're amazing. These are usually used if you're taking off makeup, but I feel like even if you don't have makeup and you use one of these, it just cleans your face off so good, and it smells so amazing. It smells like grapefruit, and I love grapefruit. I think it's so amazing. Usually I'll just do that all over my face, and then you just feel like, ugh, I just feel clean after, you know? But then, whew, that's why I like it, okay? That's why I use those. It might be kind of pointless to be using these, but I feel like it just makes my skin feel really fresh after. And then to even intensify it, I use, this is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. This stuff I've used for a really long time, and it kind of does the same thing as the Neutrogena wipes. I just feel like it clears off any like dead skin or anything else that might be on your face and just makes it like super clean, which I love. I usually shower twice a day because I just feel dirty all day and I hate feeling like that. So I try to like eliminate it as much as I possibly can. But that's what I do for that. So then what I'll take next is, this I've only had for a little while, but I freaking love this stuff. It is the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I've been using this for a 1.5 now, and it seriously is the best. Like, above everything I could ever recommend you purchase in life, this. It's literally so amazing. It makes my skin feel so good. I already feel a change, and I just feel like it really works. And I use the spatula because I'm scared of getting crap in this. Even oh, you know what's funny? Is my mom actually has been stealing this stuff too, because she got jealous that I bought it and she wanted to try it. And even she likes it, and I'm just telling you, it's good stuff. So I freaking love this stuff, and I'll kind of just put, and a little goes a long way. You don't have to use very much at all. Like, this is way too much on my hand right here, so we love wasting expensive products that we can't afford in the first place. So then I'll just kind of rub that in. And the thing I've noticed is it makes your skin kind of red, but I just feel like I have really sensitive skin anyways, and usually it'll die down after like a couple minutes. So I don't worry about it. I don't think if you get red skin, you should worry about it because it usually goes away. And I feel like most skincare products will kind of make your skin a little red if you have sensitive skin like me. And I just love, it kind of makes you dewy. That's why it's called the dewy skin cream. No, but it really just leaves you kind of feeling like, just not so like dry looking. You look a little like, I don't know, mystically like beautiful, like a mermaid, like a shiny mermaid. But then after I do that, I'll grab the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream and I'll just put a little bit under my eyes like so, and then I'll just kind of, I don't know why I look up when I rub it in, but I just look up when I do it because I find that it's easier. Whew, and then my face just feels like so just like rejuvenated. And then this I got actually, this was in like a little PR, whatever you want to call it, thing from Lancome, and it's called Advanced Genifique. I don't know what that means. It was sent to me and it was free, and they say it's supposed to make you pretty, so I rub it all over my face. And this I might have to actually go buy when I run out of it because it's good. Like, it just makes me, it just adds a little extra something. Whew. So then I will just rub that in all over my face like that. And then, okay, so then when I'm done with that, that's kind of really it for skincare. I really don't do much more than that. I don't feel like you need to. I'm scared of putting a million products on my face and ruining my face because it's always hard to know how products are going to react with each other. But then if I do anything else, it's probably a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape on any kind of like something I'm trying to like cover up. And I know it's I think it's dumb that I think it's so funny that people like literally talk about like skincare and then they put makeup on their face, which kind of just eliminates like everything that you just worked for in a sense. Like, you put all these products on your face to like keep it healthy, but then you put makeup on it. So I usually just try to put a little bit, and then I'll just take a beauty blender and blend out all the spots like so. And then, yeah. And then, okay. So then this is the only other thing I'll really put on my face ever, and it's Nivea's Mint and Minerals chapstick. I think this chapstick so amazing, so good, so fresh. Someone gave it to me for Christmas. I've literally been obsessed with it like ever since. And actually when I lived in LA, it took me forever to find it because normally Target sells it, and I went to like every Target looking for it and I couldn't find it. So then I found it at Ulta, so shout out to Ulta for actually having it, but I just think it's such a good chapstick. Like, I have big lips. It was funny because I moved back from LA to Utah. Never really had chapstick problems. Like, I always had chapstick for like the occasional day when I'd be dry, but I moved back to Utah, and let me tell you, my face had a panic attack. Like, it was so dry moving back. Like, I used to be like accustomed to Utah weather or whatever. My body was like, fine. No, when you leave and you come back, like, your face is ruined, honey, because now I need moisturizer because my skin is so dry. I need eye repair cream because under here is dying. I need chapstick because my lips are so chapped, and it's just been like a process. I love that chapstick. It's so hydrating and it just feels really good. And then this is usually it. So actually, to finish off, I usually do this after I'm like all ready for the day. I take the 1000 Wishes Diamond Mist by Bath & Body Works. I love this stuff because it's so glittery, so fun. It smells so good. And then I'll usually just like spritz myself in it, and then I smell good and I'm glittery and I'm shiny and I just look amazing, you know? But yeah, that's kind of my little skincare routine for you guys. If you guys have any recommendations or things you like better, please let me know down below because I'm always looking to improve it or make it better or maybe add a step that I don't already have in there. That's kind of where my life's at right now, you guys. I've been doing really well. I've been so happy. I've been seeing lots and lots of my friends. I'm seeing that boy, which like I shouldn't get excited about, but like I just can't help it because he's so cute. Don't tell him I said that. But yeah, everything's I'm getting into school. Everything should be almost all done for signing up for it. So that's exciting. Yeah, I'm just in a really, really good spot right now. And I'm low-key terrified that I'm in such a good spot. Like, it's gonna get messed up and I'm gonna be sad again. But right now, everything's just calm. So I'm waiting for something tragic and horrible to happen to me because that's usually what happens. But yeah, I'm in a good spot right now, which feels really good because I haven't felt like this in a really, really long time. There always felt like pieces of my life that were missing or could be improved. And now I just feel like I did it. I'm in a good spot. And it just feels so amazing. I love filming. I love getting to see you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Maybe I'll be dumped. Maybe my car will like explode. Maybe I'll lose my job because that's just like knock on wood, first of all. But that's just kind of what happens, right? Because life will keep messing you up. So yeah. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.